Hello YouTube world, it's Double A Farm. Out this morning fixing to do some cleaning. Got to clean up this old New Holland 450 baler from where we baled hay the other day. And as you can tell, it gets pretty nasty. Hay all inside. Everywhere the hay accumulates on these balers. So I'm gonna get in here and do some cleaning. Get this thing cleaned up, go ahead and oil the chains, do everything that is necessary to prepare this for winter keeping. So thought I'd bring y'all along today as I do this. And yes, I do have the lock on. There's the lock right there for locking the tailgate. Locking that open, so don't have to worry about it coming down. I do have the lock on, so a lot of people get scared about that, but I do have it on. So but I said they're gonna work on getting this thing cleaned up, ready for the winter time, and start staying under the barn. So I'm gonna work on that today. Got a new little toy here we're gonna use with it today. Clean it up. I usually use my Husqvarna blower, but I bought me one of these little Cobalt handheld blowers, 24 volt. Pretty neat thing. Been wanting one of these for a while. I like these Cobalt stuff that you get at Lowe's. So I'm gonna try this out. This is probably the main reason why I bought this, is so I wouldn't have to wear that old backpack blower while I was cleaning the hay baler out every time. I do like to clean it out every time after I use it. Like I said, that's one of the main reasons I bought this, be a little bit more nimble, a little more useful in getting in some of the crevices on the hay baler. So I'm gonna use this little handy thing. I'll test it out, see how it does, give a little review on it, cleaning out this baler. So you'll hear something running in the background. It's a skid steer, got it running, warming up. Hay customer's supposed to be here shortly to pick up 12 bales of hay. So I'm gonna get y'all mounted up probably on the back of the tractor and let y'all watch me as I clean off this baler. So I'll be back with you shortly. Blow it off and everything. Gonna use a little bit of this white lithium grease here to spray down the chains. I like a chain lube, but the last time I couldn't find the chain lube, the PB Blaster chain lube, so just use some of this white lithium grease. So. after using this to clean the hay baler, I'm gonna say I really like it. It did a lot better job and was a lot easier to use than using that backpack blower. Of course, backpack blowers have their place, and it's worked well over the years that I've had the baler and cleaned the baler, but this was very handy. Could get in all the little nooks and crannies and turn it a lot easier and really get in there and do some cleaning on the baler like it really needs to be done. So I'm gonna have to give the Kubota brushless 24-volt blower a big time thumbs up, because this does work out very well. Very good product. As I said, I'm very pleased with the Cobalt stuff. Got the 24-volt impact wrench, got a regular cordless 24-volt drill, and I really like the Cobalt stuff when it comes to these little handheld tools. So I like Milwaukee. I got Milwaukee at work. I got tons of tools with the Milwaukee stuff. Milwaukee's a great product. I've got Ryobi stuff here as well. I've bought a new little Ryobi air pump. I'll do a little review on it sometime when I get to use it. I haven't been able to even use it yet. When I get to use it, I'll do a little review on it. And some other Ryobi tools that I've had for years. Ryobi was probably one of the first things I ever bought. So, but anyway, but this Cobalt blower was well worth the $60. I think I paid $60 for it. Well worth that $60 with cleaning out the hay bale, because like I said, that was the main purpose for buying this little thing. But it'll be handy for a lot of other things around, blowing sidewalks and leaves and stuff like that. And it's got a true home. So did its job today. Well, baler's all ready for winter. Nice and clean. Ready to go. Still got some string there. I'll buy me a couple more of them big rolls. I like these big rolls of twine. Get these from Agri Supply, 20,000. They're bigger than your average roll and only $30 a piece. That's pretty cheap compared to those smaller rolls and how much they cost. So I like using those. And I said I did 32 bales off of that the other day, and I got that much left, and I'd already used a little bit of it. So, but anyway, got it nice and clean. Not gonna get everything, but I got the majority of all the hay and dust and debris and everything off the baler here. So it's ready to go for winter now. Put it back under the shed. And, be out the rain and the weather for the winter. So you got all the chains there greased up with white lithium grease. I helped that, and so that'll work well. But anyway, got it nice and clean and ready for the winter time. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hope everybody's enjoyed it. It's a beautiful Saturday here in the South. Beautiful sunshine, and temperatures are just right. Gonna do some other stuff. May do some filming. Gonna work on a little corral there where I'm gonna put the donkey. I may film a little bit of that, not sure. So, but that'll be another video. So, God bless each and every one of you. Please like, subscribe, comment. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And we'll be back in another video soon. Thanks for watching. God bless.